Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you hear me, everyone?
Yeah, yes, Raghu, we can.
Yeah, good morning.
So let me share my screen. So what is the batch number for this? 657. Okay. Let me see what happens. Okay. So how many rows and columns we have in Excel? Yesterday we have seen 10 lakhs 48,576 rows. Okay. How many columns? 16,384 columns. Okay. So what is the file saving format of Excel? ఏ ఫైల్ ఫార్మేట్ లో సేవ్ అవుతాయి? Do you know? Okay. XLS, this is XLS. This is 93 to 2000 something year. Okay. Which is very old one. Okay. XLS.
Raghu,
As
we cannot see any screen share or something.
sorry, I did not share. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes, we can see now.
Yeah. So file saving formats XLS. Okay. It's a very older version. Okay. Next, from 2007, the file saving format is XLSX. There is one more file, XLSM. What is this XLSM? Do you know macro enabled file? What is macro? Macro enabled file. Next one is XLSB. Binary file. Okay. Mostly you'll come to know about this. Till currently also, the file saving format for O365 of any version after 2007, it will be saved in XLSX format. Okay. XLSM is a macro enabled file where it is used for automation purpose. Okay. When you write automation scripts, okay, that file is saved in macro enabled file. XLSB binary file. Do you know binary file? Okay. Mostly, when the memory is, when they want to decrease the size of the file. For example, it is 10 KB. Okay. If he wants to decrease the file size, like for example, compressing some data, so it might take some 8 KB, not more than that. Some percentage of memory will be reduced, not 50%, some percent, like 20 to 25% max. Okay. So if you want to save memory for large files, you can save it in XLSB format. Okay. These are the file versions. And the top, this is the title bar, the file title. These are called tabs. These are called tabs. Quick access toolbar. This is quick access toolbar. Title. This is called as a ribbon. The whole system, this ribbon, the header part is completely called as ribbon. Home tab, insert tab, these are called as tabs. Okay. This is called name box, and this is called formula bar. Clear? This is the UI, right? So application model. Okay. So what is the first one is application, is nothing but Excel. Okay. If you open Excel, Excel is an application. Excel application, if you open, you can create multiple work. Without opening Excel file, without opening Excel application, can you create workbooks? No. So the next object is workbooks. What is workbooks? Collection of worksheets. Okay. Collection of worksheets. So without creating workbooks, can you see worksheets? Without creating, without opening a workbook, can you see worksheets? No. What? Without having a worksheet, can you see cells? No, right? So this is the Excel object model you have to remember. Okay. First, Excel is an application. When you open Excel application, you can create multiple workbooks. Multiple workbooks. Without creating Excel, without clicking, without invoking Excel application, you cannot create workbooks. First one. Okay. First hierarchy. Excel is an application. When with that application, you can create multiple workbooks. Okay. Multiple workbooks. In single workbook, you can find multiple worksheets. In single sheet, you can see range or cells. This is the object model of application model of Excel. What is a cell? What is a cell? Intersection of row and column. When you're selecting any cell, can you see here in the name box? Whatever the cell you are selecting, it is giving the name of that cell, which is nothing but the combination of row and column. These numbers are called rows. The alphabets are called columns. Cell is combination of row and column or intersection of row and column. Worksheets, which has range. Workbooks, which contains multiple sheets, right? Let me prepare some basic data. On top of it, we'll see how to apply the formatting functions of Home tab. Okay, formatting functions. Serial number. Serial number. How you'll enter a serial number? How you'll enter a series of numbers? Online people, you can also answer. How you will enter a series of numbers? First, enter 1. Okay. Second, after enter 2. Okay. So whatever the plus symbol you are seeing, you can select the range with the help of mouse on any direction. This is used for selection. Once you select 1 and 2, come at the corner. This plus symbol is used to copy down. Okay. This plus symbol is used to copy down the range. So first you have to enter 1, then after you have to enter 2. You have to select 1 and 2. You have to select 1 and 2, then drag it down. Okay. Enter 1 and 2, select 1 and 2 and drag it down. It will fill whatever the range you are pulling, whatever the range you want to, you are dragging down. Till that range, it is going to fill the series of numbers. Okay. Names. If I write each and every name, it will take a lot of time. What I'll use, I'll take a random name one, alphanumeric, I'll drag it, which are very unique. Okay. Subject 1, I'm taking 6 subjects, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 1 and 2, drag. Okay. Name 1, drag or double click. Subject 1, drag it to right side. Okay. You will be getting subject 1, subject 2. Instead of writing the names, I use this shortcut. Okay. So I have to fill some random numbers in this range. Right? How many numbers? 18 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 108 numbers I have to fill. How much time it will take to fill random numbers? Right? So this is only for preparing random data. Okay. Right. So let me apply a formula. In Excel, how you will write the formula? Exactly. You have to put equal to, you should know the name of the formula. When I start writing the name of that formula, it will give the list of characters which are starting with those characters. List of formulas which are starting with those characters. Okay. My formula name is rand between. Can you see rand between formula in the list? Right? So with the help of arrow keys, you can select the formula. Okay. So it is giving the description of the formula. Returns a random number between the numbers you specify. Okay. So wrote the name, formula name from the list. I'm selecting the formula. Press tab. It will automatically enter into the form. These are called arguments, bottom and top. Okay. I can give 50, 100. So if I close the bracket, if I click on enter, it will give a random number between 50 to 100. Okay. What the formula is saying? It will gives you the random number between the numbers you specify. So I specified the numbers bottom as 50, top as 100. So between these two range, it will give you some random number. Even nobody knows. Okay. This is about rand between formula. This formula I want to apply to this range. Okay. Okay. So now, what is the formula I have to apply? Rand between is equals to RA. Select the formula with the help of arrow keys. Okay. Press tab. It will enter into the formula 50, 100. Close the bracket. Okay. Close the bracket. Enter. You got the random number, right? This formula, I want to copy till this range. What I have to do? You can drag. You can drag. How you will drag? With this plus symbol or with this plus symbol? The down, tick one. Okay. Put your cursor here. Just drag it down. Or you can double click on the plus symbol. Tick plus symbol, you can double click. That will also work. Okay. You can drag or you can double click. Can I double click here? It is not filling. It is not filling. But here it is filling. Why? Correct. Because of adjacent data which is available here. Okay. When you double click here, okay, it will fill based on this range. Beside column range తీసుకొని అక్కడ వరకు fill చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ beside column లో ఏమైనా data ఉందా? Right side, right side, left side. There is no data at all. That's why it is not going to fill. Got it? When to click double, when you drag it down, right? Okay. So now I applied the formula, double click. So it got down. Okay. Same thing. I'm dragging towards right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got the numbers, random numbers. Right? So I use this data very frequently Okay. No organization will provide us the data to practice on our data. Okay. It's a rule. They will not provide outside any data. So that's why we will take this random data. I'll be preparing this data on the go. Then I'll show you the examples, right? So here there is a disadvantage with the ran between formula. Okay. What is a disadvantage? What is happening? What is happening? The numbers are changing because ran between formula we applied. Because of that formula, whenever you do any action, if the formula is there, the values will change. Okay. So what I have to do? Select the range where we applied ran between. Okay. Control plus C. What is that control plus C? Everybody knows it. Control C is a copy. Okay. Here, the formula is there, right? For each and every cell. Okay. Because of that, this value is changing. Because of the formula, it is changing. I have to remove the formula. Okay. So if I do Control C and Control V immediately, see, nothing will change. Why? Because same formula we are copying, same formula we are pasting. Okay. While copying anything, it will copy everything. The background color, the formatting, bold, everything it is going to copy. While pasting also, it will paste everything. Okay. But now here, what I wanted to do here, I want to copy everything. I want to paste only values. Okay. I want to paste only values. Control C, everybody knows, copy. Okay. Wherever I applied, select the range, ran between, I've selected. Control C. Okay. Now I want to paste values. Okay. Paste is in which tab? Home tab. Paste is in home tab. Right. Paste is in home tab. To get into home tab, what is the shortcut key? Alt H. Okay. Paste. For paste, under V, you know, these many options we have. Under paste. But we have to paste only values, not the formula. Again, if you paste the formula, the values will change again. Okay. So what is the shortcut key? Alt H for home, V for paste, again V for values. So if you can see when I'm removing the cursor, you can see the formula. When I'm putting cursor on the values, see, it is showing only the values. On the formula bar, can you see everyone? Formula చూపిస్తుంది. If I put on this, it is showing only the values. Done? Understood any questions, everyone? So on this data, now we will try to apply the formatting functions of home tab. Okay. So how to do make bold, how to apply the shortcut keys. I'll be writing each and every shortcut key by explaining. Okay. Online people, everybody following? Any questions? Okay. So here also, how we are going to select the data, that plays a major role for selecting the data as well. Okay. So if I do Control A in an empty cell, if I do Control A, it is selecting the whole sheet. Okay. If I put my cursor on the data, if I say Control A, got the difference? Okay, difference are the main. Ikkada Control A, if I do, whole sheet will be selected. On the data, if you do Control A, only the data which is surrounded, it is going to select it. Okay, which is very continuous. Ikkada gaps lekunda continue unna data maatrame select chesti. Right? Now, coming to the selection part. To select the table, what is the shortcut key? To select this table, what is the shortcut key? I done Control A here. Empty cells, whole sheet was selected. To select this data, what I have to press? That's what here I'm asking. Ade nenu adigedi. ఈ టేబుల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఏం సెలెక్ట్ చేయి, వాట్ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రెస్? సేమ్ కంట్రోల్ ఏ. కంట్రోల్ ఏ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ద కరెంట్ రీజియన్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కంట్రోల్ ఏ పెట్టినా ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ యూ డూ కంట్రోల్ ఏ ద డేటా విల్ బి సెలెక్టెడ్. ఓకే, టు సెలెక్ట్ ద టేబుల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ మొత్తం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ? యూ విల్ బి యూజింగ్ షిఫ్ట్ డౌన్ అండ్ రైట్. Right. If I do Control A once, automatically it is going to select the whole table. Right. Next, selecting the data here. How we are going to select? I want to select the last cell in the table. What you will do? Last cell in the table. What you will do? Okay. Control A, everybody came to know, right? What is Control A? No. Control down arrow. Holding the Control key, if I press down arrow, it will select the last used cell in the downwards direction. Control right arrow, it is going to select the last used cell towards right side. Control up arrow, it will select the last used cell towards up side. Control left arrow towards the left side. Okay, got it? Control down arrow, control right arrow, control up arrow, control left arrow. Whenever you want to select the last used cells. Okay. Next one, selection. I want to select this line completely. Only the data. Okay, only the data. If you use Control plus Shift, it will select till last. If you use Control Shift down arrow, whatever the data which is there, till end it is going to select. Only last cell means Control down arrow. I want to select from the first to the last cell means Control Shift down arrow. Okay, Control Shift right arrow will select towards right side. Okay, got it? By using Control Shift and only Control arrow. Right. Now I want to select the heading. My cursor is at A1. How to select the heading part completely? Control Shift right side. Very nice. I want to make this text bold. What is the shortcut key? You can use Control B, or there is a shortcut key Alt. Okay, H is for both are same here. Control B 1, Alt H1, both are same. You can use any one. Okay, one, it will make the text bold. Alt plus H is common. Okay, one for bold. Alt H, 2 for three for underline. Under 3, there are two options. If I press only U, single underline. Okay, 3 for underline. If I press single U, it is single underline. If I press D, it will be double underline. Right? Next, to apply the borders, what is the shortcut key you have to use? I want to apply the borders for whole table. What is the shortcut you have to use to select the table? అరే యార్ అదే కదా అడిగేది ఈ టేబుల్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాట్ ఇస్ ద షార్ట్ కట్ కి హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ కంట్రోల్ ఏ ఓకే సో యూ కెన్ యూస్ కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ డౌన్ arrow రైట్ arrow it's okay but only one key control A. I want to apply borders for this. Alt H for home tab, B for borders, in that A for exactly A for all borders. Got it? Now, I want to apply a background color for the heading. Alt is common, H is common. Okay, again you see here, what is the shortcut key? H. మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేయకుండా ఏ కమాండ్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వదు. You cannot perform any action without selection. Okay, first you have to select, then you have to apply. Okay, so again H is for background color. You are getting the list of colors. With the help of arrow keys, you can select here. Okay, with the help of arrow keys, you can select. Enter. If you want to apply font color, okay, H for background color. If you want to apply font color, Alt H, you can see here, FC, you can select any one of the color. Okay, as per your requirement, whatever you feel comfortable, just you can take the color, hit on enter, see. If you want to increase the font size of the heading, if you know the number, Alt H, FS, okay, you can give font size by using FS. Okay, if they specify, I want to get only this number font size, you can select this. Okay, I'm selecting 12. Right, I want to increase slightly. Trigger, ఏమైంది? Alt H, FG. Okay, now it is 12, right? If I press FG, it will increase slightly, 12 to 14. If you know the number, you can select the number by FS. If you want to increase slightly by 2 steps, you can directly go with FG. If you want to decrease, Alt H, FK. Okay, and this is called font face. Pick a new font for your text. Font face. This is called font face. FF. Alt H, FF. You can see FF and down arrow. You can select any one of these styles. Mostly in our previous Excel applications, you have Calibri or Calibrial. Okay, ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా వాళ్ళ యాక్టర్స్ డిస్ప్లే అని కొత్తగా ఇచ్చి. Okay, you can select any one of. Okay, this is for heading, you can use, this is for body of the content you can choose. Okay, or if they specify anything, you can select from here. Your Arial black and unde. Nah. Yeah. Arial black you can use. This is about the font. Any questions in the font? Right? So all these are used for heading purpose, whatever I have done, underline or background color, increasing the font. Okay, all these are used for only for headings mostly. If you want, if they say I want to apply, means you can apply based on the requirement. Okay, so next one, when I'm entering, like for example, when I'm entering any number, the what is the default alignment of any number? It is moving to eddy color right side color. If I enter any text, it is aligning to left side. You see same thing happening here. The numbers are aligned to left, the numbers are aligned to right, and the text is aligned to left. Those are the default alignment. Okay, for every data, for any data you have, for any data type, you have default alignment. Like for example, if I take number, it will be aligned to right side. If I take any text, it will be aligned to left. If you want to make it proper alignment, I don't want the default one. I want to align it properly. Correct alignment. Control A. Across the table I'm applying, not only for one cell or one column. Okay, why? Because all the columns should be aligned to one side only. Okay, Alt H. You see here left, center, and right. Align left, AL. All the content are aligned to left. All the content is aligned to left completely. You can see the numbers are also aligned to left. Next, Control A. I want to align it to center. Alt H, AC. Okay. Alt H, AR. Right. Mostly I use center. Okay. Two types of alignments, vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. Horizontal means left, right, and center. Left, right, and center. Horizontal. Okay. Vertical means top, middle, bottom. Okay. Can you see the alignments here? Vertical alignments. చూడొస్తుందా ఇక్కడ vertical alignments. ఇప్పుడు when I'm doing Alt H A L left side కనిపిస్తుంది. We can see. Alt H A R right side we can see. Alt H A C center we can see. But Alt H A T. A T means top. A T. చూస్తున్నారా మీరు? Why? If do cell width ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి you can see the alignments left, right, or center. Height, no, right? Because of that, you are not able to see the alignments. Now you see it was aligned to top only. It was adjusted. The height of the row is adjusted as per the content which is present. Content పట్టి height ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకు కనిపించదు height. So if you increase the row height, then you can see the alignment of vertical. Alt H AM align middle. Alt H AB align bottom. Alt H AT, Alt H AM, Alt H AB. Anything is fine. Okay. AT align top. AB align bottom. AM align middle. Okay. Right. Next. So next option is orientation. This is called text orientation loop. So whatever the direction you want to keep the text in a cell, you can use this. So for that, the shortcut key is only for heading only. Yeah? Okay, headings matrame. Alt H FQ is a shortcut key. Okay, and you can see list of options. If you click on O, the first one, angle counterclockwise. This is the text direction you're going to get. Okay, Alt H FQ. Remaining ఒక్కొక్కటి మీరు చూడండి. Okay, what is the next option? L. Same, it will give you the directions. Okay, but I applied. I want to make it normal. మళ్ళీ అదే విధంగా తీసుకురావాలి. So Alt H FQ, right? Is there any option called format cell alignment? M. You'll be getting a window. In that, what is the text direction you can see here? Okay, or you can give the direction here as well. If you put 90, you will be getting like this. Okay, if you put 45, you will be getting the text direction in this way. If you put 0, you will be getting like this. So make it 0, just click on OK, it will become as it is. Got it? Orientation, text orientation, that is called text orientation. Especially we can put for headings only when there are large headings. And cells lo pattakunta, numbers chinnaga undi cells lo pattakunta, you can see in this. You can increase this. And you can see the content at a time. Okay, next one. What is the next option here? Wrap text. What is this wrap text? I wrote a content in this cell. Can you see everyone? Which is crossing the content. This is the cell. I wrote select range where we applied random. It is already crossing, right? I want to fit that content into that cell only. So we use wrap text. Alt H W. Okay. Again, if you want to make it normal as it is, again you have to do Alt H W. Unwrap. Okay. Alt H W. Wrap text. Alt H W. Unwrap the text. Here you see, here it is not increasing the width. Column width increase చేయట్లేదు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, హైట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసి విడ్త్ అలాగే ఉంచి వ్రాప్ అంటే ఉన్న దాంట్లోనే హైట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసి ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇట్ విల్ వ్రాప్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ షో యూ ద టెక్స్ట్. వ్రాప్ టెక్స్ట్. The next option is indent. What is indent? Any idea? Indent, online people or anyone. What indent ante ఏంటి? Do you know what is indent? What do you mean by indent? మన బుక్స్ లో హెడ్డింగ్ ఉంటుంది, కింద లైన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు దే విల్ అలౌ వన్ స్పేస్ అండ్ దే విల్ స్టార్ట్ రైటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ బిట్వీన్. మన పారాగ్రాఫ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు దే విల్ అలౌ వన్ స్పేస్, వన్ ట్యాబ్ అండ్ దే విల్ స్టార్ట్ రైటింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇండెంట్. ఓకే, దాన్ని ఇండెంట్ అంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ వేర్ వి యూస్ దిస్. Okay, so when we are taking printouts, when you are printing the borders, the text, the ink might, touch with the characters. Okay, ఈ బార్డర్ యొక్క ఇంక్, ఈ టెక్స్ట్ యొక్క ఇంక్ మైట్ బి కొలైడ్, థిక్ కనిపిస్తుంది. సో దాని ఒక స్పేస్ అటాచ్ జరపడానికి వి యూజ్ దిస్ ఇండెంట్. ఓకే, సో ఆల్ట్ H6 ఇట్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్, అంటే ఒక స్పేస్ వదిలేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ దెర్ ఇస్ నో స్పేస్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఓకే, స్పేస్ అనేది ఉండదు. ఆ స్పేస్ వదిలేసి ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్. So దీన్ని indent అంటారు. Okay. If you want to decrease, same thing you can use. Alt H 5 to decrease. Alt H 5 to decrease. Alt H 5 to decrease. Alt H 6 to increase. Alt H 5 to decrease. ఇది యూస్ చేస్తామా అంటే క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. What is the point of view? No. Okay. Next we have merge options. Next we have merge options. What is merge will do here? Merge ఏం చేస్తుంది? Multiple cells which will make into one cell, right? We'll see the difference. Alt H M for merge. The first one is C. Okay, I'm applying the border. Okay, this is merge and center. Alt H M A. What is A? Merge across. You can see here. Alt H M A, merge across. Okay, next option is merge cells. M M. Okay, if you want to unmerge, select and do Alt H M U for unmerge. What is the difference between merge and center and merge cells? దీనికి difference ఏంటి? Difference. Exactly. So when you're entering anything, the information will be at the center. Here it will be behaves like a normal cell, default cell alignment. Merge across means all the vertical lines are merged, not the horizontal one. Okay, right? Try to do this activity, what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm writing some name here in the first cell. Excel. Okay, in the same cell, next line I want to write something. What I have to do now? ఇదే సెల్లో నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ లో నేను ఒకటి రాయాలను. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? If I do enter, next cell కి వెళ్తాను. Edit చేసి enter కొట్టిన నెక్స్ట్ సెల్. At same cell, in the next line I want to write something. Align it top. Okay, if top align చేస్తే రాదు. This is not the answer. Okay, you have to do Alt Enter. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Same cell, next line, if you want to write anything, you have to press Alt Enter. So you can write anything in the next line. Okay. Here, what is the shortcut key for getting today's date? Control semicolon. Okay, control semicolon is the shortcut key for getting today's date. Control shift semicolon. What does it will give? Control plus shift plus semicolon. It will give you current time. Okay. Invoice number. Product. Name. Price. Quantity. And the total. Okay. So here you can write. Thank you. Visit again. Okay. I'll align it to center and bold, italic, and I'll increase the font size to okay. Try to prepare this. Okay. So this is about alignment group. That's about font group and alignment group. Next one, we'll see the number formats. Okay. Number formats. What are number formats here? What are number formats? Number formats. Do you have any idea? Number formats. Are these numbers? If numbers है ना? Numbers है क्या? These numbers can be changed to different formats. Okay. ఈ numbers की decimal ఉందా? Cost. Cost is a value. Cost can be numerical or text. ఒక product cost ఏ డేటా టైప్ లో ఉంటుంది? న్యూమరిక్ డేటా టైప్ లో ఉంటుందా? టెక్స్ట్ డేటా టైప్ లో ఉంటుందా? న్యూమరిక్. If you want decimal for all these numbers, okay, decimals కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. Rounded values, these are whole numbers directly. There might be decimal values also, right? If you want to get decimal values, okay, at the top you general, right? You can change it to number format, which will give you the decimals. Default is 2. Okay. You can change any number to decimals. Any number to decimals, right? For example, I'm entering 3 here. Okay. Is equals to this into 2. What is the answer? 2.5. When I enter any number, it will take in the format of general only. Okay. So I can change it to 3. Okay. Now what is the number you are seeing? 3. The number you are seeing is 3. When you put the cursor there, what is the number you are seeing now? 2.5. చూస్తున్నారా మీరు ఇక్కడ? It is showing 2.5 here at the top. Can you see here? But when I am coming out, it is showing 3. When you see any number, when you calculate, If you're not getting the output, then you can search the cell. What is the exact number of it? Not all numbers are same. అన్ని numbers ఒకేలాగా ఉండదు. Example. Account number is a number or text? I am asking again. Account number is a text or number? Phone number is a number or text? Aadhaar number is a number or text? PAN card is a number or text? Right. Give answers for these values. Don't go beyond. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన 4-5 ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవి ఏంటివో చెప్పండి. టెక్స్ట్ ఆర్ నెంబర్? ఫస్ట్ అడిగింది బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ నెంబర్, సెకండ్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్, థర్డ్ వన్ ఆధార్ కార్డ్, ఫోర్త్ వన్ పాన్ కార్డ్. కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేస్తే ఐడి కూడా ఇస్తారు కదా. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ నెంబర్స్. లెట్స్ ట్రై టు పుట్ యువర్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ నెంబర్. ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ 23412378654. Think this is a bank account. What is the number now? Can we put zeros in front of any number? Now, same thing. How many zeros I kept? I don't know. Okay. 23412378654. Can you see the number now? What is the difference between this? This is a number, this is text. Okay. So until unless you select the number, you identify whether it is text or not, you cannot decide. Okay. Any account number will be in text format only. Why? Because we cannot calculate those fields. Your Aadhaar number cannot be calculated. Whereas particular price and the quantity can be calculated. Your PAN number will not be calculated. It's in a text format, combination of alphanumeric. Okay. Your phone number will not be calculated. Why? Because it's a number. It can be form of text. For example, if you do +91, it's a country code. If you add +91, it will completely change it to text format only. So you have to decide what data type it is. Every number is not a number. It can be text as well. Example. Okay. You can change any number to number format, which gives decimals. N down arrow. Currency. This is currency. Alt H N. Again, this is accounting format. What is the difference you are seeing between currency and accounting? Exactly. The space is between the sign. And you have accounting styles. If you go for any country, you can go with this AN. What is this AN? Accounting number formats. You can get dollars. Okay. You can change only currency symbol only. It will not convert the dollars and pounds, euros. Okay. If you're working for any Arab country, Qatar, Yemen, Libya, all you can put that country currency symbol. Okay, you can change that, but this is not exact value. This is only putting a symbol. That's it. Okay, so this is currency format. This is accounting format. In accounting format, you might have different country currency symbols. You can check from here. If you go to more accounting format, you can check multiple country currency symbols here. Okay. So today we have discussed about the rows, columns, the file formats, application model, and formatting things, font group, alignment group, number group just started. Okay. So just go with this for today. So tomorrow we'll continue this. I'll complete this, then I'll start the conditional formatting as well. Okay. So please practice. చెప్పుకున్నంత ఈజీ కాదు. నేను చెప్తే యూ విల్ ఫీల్ ఎక్సైటెడ్, బట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒక్కసారి కీబోర్డ్ మీద చేయి పెట్టి వెన్స్ యూ ట్రై యుల్ కమ్ టు నో. ఓకే, వాట్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్, ఎంత కష్టపడితే ఏ స్టాండర్డ్కి మారుతారు అనేది. ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్లాస్ యూ కెన్ ఒక ల్యాప్టాప్ తీసుకుని జస్ట్ ట్రై ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్, యూ విల్ కమ్ టు నో. ఓకే, రైట్. So that's it for today. Tomorrow same time 9:30 I will be available till 10:30. We'll continue the session. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye. Any questions? Online people? Vinitha, Manoj, Durga, Bhargavi, Abhishek. Any questions?
No, Ravi.
Okay. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. I'll share this file over the group. Okay. I'll share this file through the group. So you can just